We're gonna be putting the bead in this carbon pipe using stainless wire. You still have to purge it. That's what we did all this. And I set it up on the previous video, so you can go back and watch it. So now, what I did is I turned it on, and the way I check it, I made a small hole on top, and it feels cold. You know, you put a little saliva on your knuckle, and you could just feel a little bit of cold air coming out. Now, you don't want too much pressure. I'm gonna put this on so you could see, you know, that it's just a little bit of pressure coming out. As you can see, that's kind of moving. Let me show you. Yeah, it's just barely holding it up. It's just plastic, it's very light, and that's how much pressure you want to have. You know, you don't want to have it to where it's, you know, flapping too much, where it's just enough, a little bit of cold air coming out. You leave it about a minute or two, and then you can start putting your bead in. Let's do it. Got our purge going on. We got enough pressure. It's been sitting for about maybe a minute or so, 2 minutes. So now what you want to do is you want to remove some of it. You don't want to remove all of it. And also put your knuckle there. Make sure you have enough purge, enough argon coming out of there. So make sure you check that. You don't want too much. So right now I feel that it's too much pressure right here. I'm going to turn it down a little bit and we'll go from there. One of the things that you want to keep in mind if you're using the Y is whenever you open up this argon right here, that reduces the pressure, and I noticed that significantly. Now, right now, the pressure did go down, so I'm gonna crank up the manifold just a hair.
You always want to backfeed your wire from the top side, especially when you're doing it on the bottom side. Lay your wire on the top bevel, that way gravity is gonna help you whenever you're going down. All you have to do is push in. This right here was that first tack. At the beginning is a little black, as you can see, because I actually ran out of argon and had to change the bottle. But once you get it down, just continue going slowly. All you have to do is introduce that wire. Keep that wire on that top bevel, as I said. Once you get enough meat on the easy side, proceed and move over to your difficult side. Now, I don't use my left hand. All I do is lean over, as you can see right there. Look at my body positioning. This is how the bead is going so far. Everything is going good. Everything's looking clean. Everything's tied in, and our weld is looking fine. Right there, I'm continuing to weld. Again, always keep that wire on the top side and just move your tungsten up and down. As long as you keep that wire in there, you should be good to go whenever you're putting your, once you get to the top side, make sure you grind that down. Once you feel comfortable enough to where you can reach that tying point, grind it down. And as you can see right there, all you have to do once you get close to that, do a little dipping method. That's what I do. Get closer to it, get closer to it. Once you reach over it, come out on the bevel. And this right here was the finished product. That's the bottom side of the bead, and I'll show you the top side of the bead. This is for my beginners. Hopefully that helps you out. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you for watching.